Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Rob from clicksgeek.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to advertise your junk removal business and how we do this for other junk removal companies, dozens of them throughout the entire country, to turn on a lead spigot via Google Ads. Alright. So before we get started, I want to say everything you are about to see is a template, okay? We templated all of this, the campaigns, the ads, the keywords, the landing pages. The landing pages, they're already built. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to send us pictures. You don't have to send us copy. We plug and play your business into this template and get leads. That's how this works. This is not a custom campaign. This works in dozens of markets with dozens of clients. I just need to get that out of the way first so you understand what you're about to see is a repeatable system. This is not a regular Google Ads campaign. Now, that said, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe below. We drop daily content. If you are a junk removal business and you want us to deploy this template for your business in your location, there's an application link in the description below this video. You can fill that out, and if your location is not taken, then we can have a conversation about rolling this campaign out for you. Again, this is a junk removal client, last 30 days, September 21st to October 20th, 2022. This guy's in Denver. We're all over the place with these, so I'm going to show you a few different ones in a minute. So let's get right to it. You don't really care about these results here. You care about the leads, right? That's all you're here for, to see. So first I should say what they're spending. They spend $200 a day, Monday through Friday, on this campaign. You don't have to spend $200 a day. We have guys who spend $50 a day. We have guys who spend $100. I'd say the average is probably $100 a day, Monday to Friday is what they spend. You can do it with $50 a day, though, Monday through Friday. That does work. So keep that in mind when you see like costs and you're like, oh my god, the guy spent $4,500 in a month, blah blah blah. It's his budget. This is his marketing budget. This is what he does with it. All right, so he's gotten 94 leads. Now these are not emails, submissions, and stuff like that. This is a full contact form and phone calls, inbound phone calls. It's a mixture of the two of them, and they got a cost per lead of $47. And the conversion rate is 36%, which is wild. The average conversion rate industry-wide for pay-per-click is around 10 to 13%. So this campaign is a total winner, and I'm about to show you just how repeatable it is in a minute, because we're going to go and show you some other campaigns. So just again, look at this. 94. Insanity. All right, let's jump to another client. Actually, let's go to a new client. We just brought on October 9th. Right, so today's the 21st. October 9th brought this guy. So you'll see how fast we can get these leads going. So before we get to that, I want to actually show you the ad groups and keywords in this first client, which was the junk client. I almost said their name. So this is the first client we just went through, the junk client in the Denver market. And I want to show you their ad groups. So we have their target CPA bid strategy set at 52. That's on the client's doing. They want to get leads at 50 or under, which they are coming in at under 50, but we have it set a little bit higher, so leads are coming in at 47, and we'll continually work on just dropping that like $1 or $2 every week, just so we got to strike that balance of like affordable cost per lead by just lowering it week over week, but keeping the volume of leads, right? So you don't want to kill off the volume to get cheaper leads. That's my point. But here you can see I'll sort by clicks all of the types of traffic that are coming through from this client. So the ad group junk removal, junk pickup, junk removal Denver, which is obviously geo, junk removal prices, furniture removal, appliance removal, junk hauling. Now, all of these types of ad groups have keywords in them that are relevant to the ad group. So junk removal has all about junk removal in it. Junk pickup has all junk pickup keywords in it. But the most important thing is the ads. The ads qualify the traffic, right? It's like a filter. The ads are a filter. So only high-quality people, traffic hits the ad, it filters it, and high-quality people come through onto the landing page and call and become leads from there. So that's something to understand that's important. We put qualifiers in our ads, so you're not getting bullshit people looking for someone to come take their couch for free or donation stuff. Like, none of that. That stuff does not happen. So that's really important if you're going to run this yourself, that you guys understand. You have to pre-qualify the traffic in the ads and on the landing page to make sure the traffic you're getting is high quality. So let's go into the keywords. I'll give you the keywords we're using to drive all these leads. Let me sort. There we go. So junk removal service, and we're using only exact and phrase match in this client. Sometimes we'll have broad and junk only if the client requests it. Normally we don't use it because it's really hard to get that traffic clean, no matter how many filters you put it through. So exact and phrase works really well. Junk removal service, junk removal Denver, junk removal, appliance removal service. Really important. Get rid of old furniture, right? Again, that's a kind of a lower intent word, but it converts 5 leads out of 9, and we filter it through the ad and the landing page. Someone to pick up junk, junk removal, same day junk removal, junk removers. So you guys see what I'm getting at here. It's all very high quality keywords we're going after. For the most part, we'll have some top of funnel keywords like get rid of old furniture, and then we'll just kind of run them down the filter, down the funnel, and filter them so they're all the bad guys who are irrelevant drop out, and then only left with the good ones. But for the most part, all of these keywords are they're so easy. They're total winners, and a lot of it comes down to the landing page. Honestly, Google Ads is easy. It really is. Anyone can build this campaign. They really can. The real magic is in how to optimize the campaigns to keep them running smooth, and the landing page, right? The ads optimization, the ad copy, and the landing page are basically the filters that you're going to have to set up to make sure that all the traffic turns into leads that are high quality leads and not bullshit leads. So that's what we are extremely proficient at, and that's what this system does. All right, let's get over to the next client. So here's the first 10 days. You can see here that this new junk client turned on October 9th. Little ramp up period here. And then the weekend, but you can see him just starting to get moving. 11 leads. Let me circle that so you can see these stats. This is just starting out. First 10 days. 11 leads, $43 a lead, 26% conversion rate, which will go up as we optimize the campaign. 41 clicks. So this works out of the gate. Normally, the first week a client signs up with us for junk removal, that they're getting results like this. They're starting to get leads. Everything's starting to come through. And again, guys, I cannot stress this enough if you're a junk removal business. This is a system. It's all done. It's proven. We've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars perfecting this. So when it comes to the landing page, like, this is a non-negotiable thing. We have what works already. All you have to do is take the phone calls. And I'm going to show you in a minute the types of phone calls that are coming through, because we're going to jump to one more client. All right, guys, so check this out. This is a client, a junk removal client that we've had forever, years, in the Charlotte market. And this has been steady for years, steady lead generation, steady price per lead. None of this market turmoil has affected this guy's stuff at all. Check this out. So here's inside the Charlotte junk campaign. These guys have been 150 a day, Monday through Friday for, oh my God, I don't even know how long, 3-4 years, something like that. Steady leads around 50, about 55 a month at a cost per lead of 44. And you'll see again the conversion rate 37%. So you see, guys, this is a template. It works. If we go into their campaign, you'll see all the ad groups that we're running. And we are running target CPA, so we're telling Google we're setting it at 49, so it's actually coming in cheaper than what we're setting it at. And this is the client's CPA, guys. I don't set this. This is the client CPA. This is what they want to get leads at the maximum cost. They want to get them at $49. And you might be thinking, well, why don't you just set them for $5? Because then you'll crush the campaign and you won't get any volume. So it's a balancing act of getting volume and an affordable cost per lead where you can still be profitable on the deals that come through from these leads. Right, so here's the ad groups. Really basic stuff. Furniture removal, appliance removal. The main one, obviously, junk removal, junk service. That's all junk hauling type stuff. Geo ad group, junk removal Charlotte. Junk pickup, junk hauling, junk removal prices. Not much action on this stuff. So if we go into the keywords, you'll see here we are doing some broad match with this guy only because they like the broad match stuff. So we've gotten the keyword junk service. 57 clicks, 23 leads, right? Junk service, a phrase match, 8 leads. Junk removal exact match, 5 leads. So the leads are coming from very high quality sources. If we sort by conversion, I'll show you guys all of the winning keywords here. So these keywords are all high quality stuff, right? And even like couch removal, that might be like, it's under the furniture removal ad group. But the ad that's showing that someone clicks from this keyword is all about you're a junk removal company, we'll come take your junk couches and stuff like that for a fee. That's what it is. So it's not like we're trying to like, hey, we'll come take your furniture, you can donate it to us, right? The ads are very specific on exactly what we'll take, and that it costs a fee and it's a service, right? So that's really important when you're running your Google ads. You don't want to be misleading, and then you'll get a bunch of leads of people who think that you're a donation service, and then you're gonna come and just pick up their junk for free. So it's really important that you have your ad copies nice and aligned with what you do exactly. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for these junk campaigns. Like I said, if we go into devices, you'll see here where all the traffic's coming from. So a majority of it, big majority, is cell phones. So we're driving cell phone traffic. That has driven 50 leads, the cell phone traffic, and 4 leads from computers and 1 lead from a tablet. So pretty cool stuff. Again, this is a system. This is a rinse and repeat system. So if you are a junk removal company, hit that link in the description below this video and apply to work with us. We'll see what we can do. Other than that, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, click that link below as well. We have free training courses and paid courses if you want to take that route. Either way, there's a solution for everybody. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.